Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. And then if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. That one means a lot to me. As usual, you'll find me all over social media. So I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and I have our own Facebook group where myself and other crafters, very talented crafters, showcase their products and their makes. So very interactive community, so please join me over there. Today I am super excited because it's the beginning of June, so that means a new set of videos coming over this month showcasing another digital kit from Happiness in Crafting, designed by the lovely Gi Kerr. And today I'm so pleased to show you one of the versatile kit I have ever seen, and it's called the mini embellishment set number 1. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it better. So with this PDF file you get 3 sheets, and I'll show you in just a second. And of course they are embellishments, so they are beautiful designed. As you can see, you've got different backgrounds with some music paper, very botanical pictures on this first page here. Very vintagey, very shabby chic. You've got some numbers, some lace, very beautiful, and again extremely versatile. So this is page number 1. This is page number 2, when you got all colors, kind of like brown and vintagey, like crafty paper, and you've got all the numbers. So it's beautiful page. I really like the color combination here, and you've got the butterfly, the flowers, the chandelier, all these baroque elements. It's very pretty. And then the last page is this one, which is a combination on both. So you've got again more botanical, numbers, pairs, music notes, music paper on the background. Very pretty. Now with this kit, what I've done, this is a size that I just printed off, so this is how it come out. I also printed 3 sheets into 2 pages, so I shrunk them by 50%. Okay, and this is what you get. So you get a small version of that. Let me just zoom out tiny bit so you can see. So this is international A4, so I printed 2 pages into 1, so they literally half of the size. And what I did, I then go either further and I printed, and I can zoom in again, sorry, I don't want to give you a headache, and this has 3 pages into 1. You get the little pictures even smaller. Okay, don't forget guys to join Happiness in Crafting Facebook group, and I will put the link on the info bar, and also Gi Kerr's channel in case you're new to her. And yeah, join us. And if you wish to purchase this kit, there is a link that takes you to the Happiness in Crafting Etsy shop, and you can purchase the kit. Very good value for money, so I really recommend it. Okay guys, so today, of course, the first thing I thought when I saw these little squares, guess what? Yes, post stamps. So I thought, let's make some stamps. I'm using a really thick, this is 220 GSM craft paper. Got this from Amazon, and I will put the link in the info bar in case you want to purchase it. So I'm going to fussy cut it, and then we're going to make our stamps. I'll see you in just a second. Okay guys, what do you think? I really like them. Look how cute these are. Fabulous. I'm really pleased. Really pleased. I mean, how cute is this? And of course I put in Italy stamp, but I'm going to show you everything in just a sec. So what I've done, I've of course fussy cut it, and focus on me, yes, focus on me. Then the lovely Pam sent me a huge happy mail a while ago, and she enclosed these 3 amazing scissors, and they've got 3 different ends. See, so I have tried, so the pink one will give me an end like that, which is not too Focus on me, focus on me. Come on, focus on me. Yes, which is not too bad, but it's not a real stamp, I think. The green one was a bit too big. So if you do like a huge stamp, that would be fabulous. But the best one was the blue one, because it gives me this little scallop effect that I was looking for on this side. Okay, so what I did, I fussy cut it, and then I glued a little piece into the craft cardstock, and then I simply, not this side, cut it like that. Now, of course, because I'm filming it, it's got to be complicated. That is actually straightforward. So that, and then this way, that, and a little bit there. Okay, so you get this little shape. It's got a little tiny bit in there. And then what I did, I have used my little finger sponge. This is one of my top favorite crafty tool, whatever you want to call it, for last year. I'm really pleased. And what I did, I just simply distressed the edges. Now, every single picture, the one in the square or rectangular, they are distressed already. So I just wanted to make it a bit more vintage, I suppose. So that's, look at, so that's that. And I have used, for this project, I have used this one here, which looks more like a stamp, and this one here, which has nothing to do with the post, because it's actually a departure for the ticket. I used them both. I love this stamp set. Go and check it out, like, guys, that video when I made the my mixed media tags, because I really enjoyed using this stamp set. So what I did, yes, so this one here, which is a small one, I've used it in here. But you can use them both, and I used this one, which I'm going to use in a sec, on this one. Now they're more visible, of course, on a bigger stamp, okay, because you got the detail of it. So what you simply do, I just ink it. I tend to stay around the corner, because that's where normally the stamps from the the post office goes, about there. And that is it, guys. How cute are those? I absolutely love them all. Very simple to make, but very effective, I suppose. So guys, I really recommend you to purchase this kit and to make your own folks stamps. Super easy and fun to make, guys. Right, that's it for today, guys. So again, if you like the video and you would like to purchase the kit, follow the link in my info bar and you see all the details in there. Also find me on social media, so please join me in there as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you get notification every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.